how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Yamaha keyboard to Ableton. Now, if you have yourself the MIDI output or a USB port on your keyboard, definitely you could go ahead and connect your keyboard onto your computer. So basically it's going to look something like this. We have the MIDI out, and then we have something like the USB port. Now for USB, it's going to be something like you use on your printers. So you could just get yourself one of those cables, which is going to be something like this one, and then you could simply plug it directly onto your computer. After plugging it in, it will then install the drivers in order to be connected with your computer. So basically from there, you could just open up the Ableton application and you will be connected. But if you're using something like the MIDI output, you should go ahead and try this different connections right here, where you could plug the USB onto this MIDI application or hardware right here. And then you want to plug the MIDI onto the actual keyboard. Now, another way to do this is to just do it something like this setup right here, but you could just plug it directly onto the keyboard and the computer. So you could plug the MIDI out onto the MIDI in of your computer, or if your computer doesn't have that, you could also grab yourself USB to MIDI in order to make sure that you could connect it onto any computer devices that you have. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.